Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI assistant that you can chat with directly in Slack. Now this assistant is powered entirely by Griptape Cloud, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up in under 5 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. So first, we're going to go to Griptape Cloud, and then we're going to go to the Assistants tab, and we're going to create a new assistant. Really the only thing I need here is assistant name, so I'll call my new assistant. I'm also going to give it a knowledge base here. So a knowledge base in Griptape Cloud is basically just a big collection of data. And the assistant will be able to use this knowledge base when responding to questions. So I can see I have one knowledge base here called Griptape, and this knowledge base contains information not only on the griptape.ai website, but also contains all of the Griptape framework source code. So ideally, I'll be able to talk to my assistant and ask about Griptape framework, and it'll hopefully be able to answer those questions and give me some usable code. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the Griptape knowledge base, hit submit. That's it, my assistant's been created. So the next thing I'm going to do, let's go over to integrations. You can see I already have an integration here, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. I'll call this my integration. And then you see 3 fields here: Slack app name, Slack app display name, and description. So basically this is just the configuration within Slack that you're going to actually see when you create your Slack app. So Slack app name, I'm just going to call my Slack app. Slack app display name here is actually the name of the user that you'll be chatting with, name of your assistant that you'll be chatting with within Slack. So I'm going to call this one my assistant. And we can just give it a description here, my assistant powered by Griptape Cloud. Awesome. So then you can see these fields down here asking about Slack app bot secrets and sign-in secrets. We're going to worry about those later. And then we have a box down here that we can attach our new assistant to this. So I'm going to hit create, and it's great. Created our new integration. So you can see here that there's a couple of things that we're missing. Like I said before, we have our Slack bot secret and our Slack signing secret that we need to give to this integration in order for it to work. So I'm going to go over to the Slack apps page, which I can reach by hitting this link. I'm going to copy my Slack app manifest that has been created for us. I'm going to copy that again, go over to Slack apps. You can see I have some Slack apps here already, but I'm going to create a new app. Say from manifest, I'm going to pick the Griptape workspace. And I'm going to go ahead and copy my new manifest in. This is fine. It's asking for some permissions. Hit create. Awesome. So now we're on this page. You can see my new app has been created, my Slack app. So what do we need? We need the Slack app signing secret, and we need the Slack bot token. So those 2 things can be retrieved from over here. So first we have the signing secret. I'll show it here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to edit my integration, and I'm going to find my signing secret field here. So this is actually expecting a Griptape Cloud secret that contains this signing secret. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. So you can see I have a bunch of secrets here. We'll say my Slack signing secret. Hit enter. Have a new secret created for that. I also need the bot token. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go to the OAuth and permissions tab, and I need to install my app into my workspace first. So I'm going to hit install. You can see it's going to ask for some basic permissions. I'm going to hit allow, and now I have the bot token here. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back over. I'm going to create a new secret again, my bot secret. Copy this value, hit create. Awesome. So now that I have those 2 secrets, I'm going to hit update. And it looks like my assistant didn't get saved, so I'm going to re-add my assistant there. So that's awesome. So I'm going to go back to my Slack view. So one last thing I need to do, which is go to this event subscriptions tab. You can see it says your URL didn't respond, but if I hit retry, URL is now verified. So I can hit save changes. And that's it. So now I'm going to go to Slack type in my assistant, click on this one, and here we go. Our assistant's ready to chat. Let's say hello. You can see it's responding here, and there we go. So like I said earlier, this assistant has access to our Griptape knowledge base. So I'm going to ask it some questions about Griptape framework. I'm going to say, give me an example of using a prompt driver. Hopefully, should be able to give me a pretty good Python example of using a Griptape prompt driver. So here we go. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So here we go. Here's an example of a Griptape pipeline. You can see down here, uses the OpenAI chat prompt driver. So that's exactly what we asked it. Here's an example of using this prompt driver. This is great. So here we go. We've shown we can integrate an AI assistant directly into Slack, and we've created it under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.